Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to scrape LinkedIn company data to CSV, JSON to use in Excel or with your own preferred AI. So we will need to download this extension from Google Chrome Web Store and you will just open it. So you will create your own filters, put the location that you prefer, whatever it is. Then you see how many companies you want. For now, we'll put, let's say 250, and it will start gathering data for you. So we'll just scroll the page and keep adding. In case you have already done the scrape or there are some rows that you have already counted, you will just skip them and go ahead. So you'll always have new records for your own enrichments, unless you tick it out, let's say. So here it just completed. We'll just see the preview. So we have the source, so the search URL, let's say, the company URL, the name, the industry, the location, how many followers they have, the description, so like this one, and as well the company's lag. So you could use this for your own enrichment campaigns, and you can download in these three different formats. So yeah, if you have any questions, I hope this was useful, and let me know. Cheers.